Hey guys, welcome to my channel TechShare, where I'll be providing updates on the latest technology. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive more such notifications of my videos. So today's video is about different sensors used in smartwatch. So smartwatch, right, has become essential part of our day-to-day activities, just like our mobile phones. So the smartwatches, right, provides different types of sensors to track our day-to-day activities. So let's look into the different sensors which are available in smartwatch. 3-axis accelerometer. This is an electromechanical device which senses the gravity and tries to track the movement either in the linear acceleration. This is for linear acceleration. So it tries to capture whether you are moving in a forward direction, backward direction, and using the sense of gravity, it tries to capture that. So this particular sensor is used to capture whether you are running, or it tries to detect whether you are running or walking or jogging. Optical heart rate sensor. So this particular sensor is used to calculate heart beats per minute. So how does this sensor work? This sensor sends out the optical light through your skin to the blood. Whenever the heart pump beats, right, there will be blood movement. Based on that blood movement, the light will be emitted back to the sensor. Using that light emission back, right, there will be special algorithm in the sensor which calculates the heart beats per minute. Proximity sensor. This particular sensor is also used in smartphones, where when you get a call and if you bring the phone near your ears, the display will go off. Similarly, this particular sensor will also be used when you're not using the device. This sensor gets enabled and it will turn off the display and it will go to the sleep mode, which will help you to save the battery. Altimeter sensor. So this particular sensor uses atmospheric pressure to determine if there is any change in the altitude. So this sensor helps us to understand whether you are climbing the stairs or you are getting down the stairs, and if there is any change in the height, right? This particular sensor calculates it accurately. This sensor would helps us to calculate the calories count accurately for a smartwatch. ECG sensor, also known as electrocardiograph sensor. So this particular sensor, right, it detects the minute electrical signals that the heart sends every heartbeat. So there will be an electrode in the wearable which calculates this impulses, electrical impulses, and it generates an ECG. SpO2 sensor, also known as saturation pulse oxygen sensor. This sensor is used to monitor and measure the blood oxygen level. So how does this sensor work? It uses LED light as a source which emits through the tissue, and there will be a photo detector to collect the light back from the skin. And it also, using that, it measures how well the oxygen is being supplied to each part of the body from your heart. Gyroscope sensor. This particular sensor is used to detect motion. So this sensor used along with other sensors like 3-axis accelerometer helps you to determine whether you are actually running or walking slowly or walking fastly, or jogging. Gesture sensor. This particular sensor is used to detect wrist movement. The movement like raising your hand, making the body hand movement. So this particular gesture sensor, right, instructs the smartwatch to do certain activities, like when the hand is moved in certain way. Like say suppose if you want to check the time, right, usually we move up the hand. So when the hand is moved up, right, this gesture detects and then turns on the display, and then time would be shown. So this would be used in this way. This sensor is used. Bioimpedance sensor. This particular sensor is also used in smart weighing scale to measure your total body composition, like your total body mass with respect to your total body fat or weight, muscle weight. So how does this sensor work? This sensor uses a method called bioelectrical impedance analysis, where a weak electric current is passed through your body, and then the resistance, the voltage, is been measured. Based on that, the body composition is been calculated. Usually, right, fat will have high resistance and the blood flow will have low resistance. So this analysis is used to capture and calculate your total body composition. Compass. So it shows the direction of the magnetic north. So compass is used by the map application to give the sense of direction and also to navigate to particular direction. So compass is mainly used for map applications. GPS, also known as Global Positioning System, helps you to track your exact location. So this particular sensor is also used with map application to give the direction or navigation. This sensor would be useful for athletes like runners and then the cyclists who want to actually exactly calculate their distance which they are running. UV sensor, also known as ultraviolet sensor, this sensor is used to measure the exposure of harmful sunlight. So UV sensor monitors the sunlight and alerts when you are observing dangerous UV radiation. So whether the sunlight is it will also give an alert saying if the sunlight is harmful or not, so that you can step out based on the sensor data. Skin temperature sensor. So this particular sensor, right, it detects slight change in the temperature of your body to understand whether you're going to fall sick and you might get fever. So it alerts you that your temperature is increasing. Barometer. So this particular sensor is used to measure atmospheric pressure. So with this sensor, right, you will be able to know whether the day would be sunny day or a rainy day. Hope you like this video about different types of sensors used in smartwatch and fitness trackers. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive more such videos about the latest technology. Thank you.